Hello children, welcome to my channel. We will have a lot of fun learning today. I'm going to take you to a jungle birthday party today. This is a bear family having 6 people here. Papa bear, Mama bear and their 4 cute little bear kids. And it's the party of Papa Bear today. Papa Bear has his birthday today. They have a yummy, delicious pizza and some tasty bananas. And see how eagerly the kids are looking at the pizza. They just want to grab their share out of it. Now, the birthday pizza has to be divided equally amongst 6 parts, one for each member. Can you see if these are 6 equal parts here? Yes, you're absolutely right. So the pizza has been divided equally into 6 equal parts. Hey kids, can you now tell me how many parts of the pizza have already been eaten? Yes, 2 parts out of the 6 parts have already been eaten out of this pizza. Great! Hey children, now tell me if this pizza would have been divided into 8 equal parts. Can you see this picture and tell me how many parts of this pizza have been eaten? Yes, that's correct. So 1 out of 8 parts have been eaten from this pizza. Great! Children, let's find out what portion of the pizza is eaten over here. So this is a pizza and tell me how much portion of the pizza has been eaten. To tell this, first you have to see this whole pizza has been divided into how many equal parts. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 7 and 8, right? Now, so out of the 8 equal parts, now you have to see how many equal parts or how many parts have been eaten from here. So this is 1 and 2. So what is the answer? What will you say? What portion of this pizza has been eaten? Correct. So this is 2 out of 8 equal parts have been eaten. Now see another one. So there is another pizza, right? So can you tell me how much portion of this pizza has been eaten? Again, you have to follow the same process. Just see how many equal parts are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So 5 and 6. Correct. So 2 out of 6 parts have been eaten. Perfect. Let's go ahead. So tell me how much portion of this pizza is eaten? Very right. This is 1 out of 4. Next one is, so now you have to first see how many equal parts are there in this whole pizza. So 1, 2, 3 and 1 part would have been here. So 4. So 4 in the one half of the pizza and 4 would be definitely there in the other half of the pizza, right? So 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, yes, how many parts are eaten? Wonderful. So 5 parts out of the 8 equal parts of the whole pizza are eaten. Very good. Now tell me about this. Perfect. So this pizza is divided into two equal halves and one half is eaten. So we will say 1 out of 2 is eaten. So 1 by 2. The next one is, yes, perfect. So this is 5 out of 6 parts are eaten. Very good. And the last one is, yes, 3 out of 6 parts are eaten. Well done, kids. See here, children, we have been talking about parts of a whole. So, whenever we talk about parts of a whole, we are actually talking about fraction, right? So, what fraction of the pizza has been eaten? Mm-hmm. Yes, so 1 by 4, or we can say 1 part out of the 4 equal parts have been eaten. So in fractions we write it as 1 by 4, or we say 1/4 of the pizza is eaten. So kids, let's see what is a fraction. A fraction represents part of a whole, right? So we write two numbers over here. One is above this line and the other one is below this line. The part about which we are talking is always represented above this line, and this is called as numerator. This is called as numerator. And the part which is shown or written below this line is called denominator. It is called denominator. This shows the total number of equal parts of the whole. So here, if one slice is gone, we say 1 by 4 of the pizza is eaten. It means 1/4 of the pizza is eaten, and we will write it as 1 upon 4. Right? Now, if we have to write what portion of the pizza is left out of here, can somebody tell me? What portion of the pizza is left? So 3 pieces are left out of the total 4 pieces, right? So we will write here 3 out of 4, which is 3 by 4 is left. Okay, great. Now see over here. Tell me how many bears are eating pizza, or what fraction of the bears are eating pizza over here? Mm-hmm. Great. So yes, it's 3 by 4. So there are total 4 bears over here. And out of the 4, 3 bears are eating pizza 1, 2 and 3. So 3 by 4 or 3/4 of the bears are eating pizza over here. Now children, let's see how do you divide a whole into equal parts. Suppose we have this circle over here and we want to divide this circle into 4 equal parts, right? So can you try on your own and show how to divide this circle into 4 equal parts? Correct. So it's like this. So if we join these two diameters over here, two lines like this, so each part is 1 by 4. We can say that it is now divided into 4 equal parts over here. Wonderful. Now, moving ahead. See these two circles. These circles are divided into two parts. Analyze these circles carefully and tell me which circle shows 1 by 2. The shaded portion, which is pink color, which of these two circles shows 1 by 2? So for this, you have to first see which circle is divided into two equal parts. So here, the denominator is 2, which means the whole circle has to be divided into two equal parts, out of which one part has to be shaded. So if we see the first circle, yes, can we say this is divided into two equal parts? Correct. So this is definitely divided into two equal parts. And what about this? Are these two parts equal in size? No. Correct. So we will say that the first circle is divided into two equal parts, and this is 1/2 or 1 by 2 of the whole. Well done. Now let's see this picture. There are two squares over here. Tell me again, which of these two squares shows 1/4? Yeah. So first of all, you will have to see which of these two squares is divided into four equal parts. So let's go ahead with the first one. See, are these four parts equal over here? Definitely not. These two are bigger and these two are smaller in size. And what about this? Here we see that these four parts are absolutely equal to each other, right? And this portion is 1/4, one part out of these four. So definitely we can say the second square has 1 by 4 parts, which is not colored as blue. Perfect. Now children, I hope you have understood the concept of fractions, how we represent fractions and how we represent part of a whole as a fraction. Now it's time for a challenge. Draw a triangle on a piece of paper and divide it into equal number of parts and color one part out of those equal parts and write what fraction of the triangle is colored. Okay, so this is your homework and a challenging question for you. Do it and send me your pictures of the triangle for a surprise appreciation from me. Thank you children. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you.